SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off iMessage on iPhone 11. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. When you send an iMessage from the Messages app on your iPhone, then it's indicated by a blue text bubble around that message. But if you're having trouble with iMessage or you simply don't wish to use it, then you have the option to turn it off. You can turn off the iMessage option on the iPhone by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Messages option from this menu. And then you just need to find the iMessage option near the top of the screen. Now you can tap the button to the right of that to turn it off, and now your iPhone is no longer going to use iMessage to send messages, and everything that you send is going to be sent as a regular SMS message, which means that it's going to have the green bubble around it instead of the blue one.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.